Well, hello everybody, this is Doodle with Drew, and I am your host, Drew. We are going to be drawing a wonderfully cute cactus today. You're going to need a piece of paper, something to draw with, and something to color with. I'm going to be using color pencils, but you can use what you like. Alright? So let's jump right into this drawing. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to draw a really big, like, upside down U shape. Alright, so right here in the middle of the paper, we're going to draw this really big upside down U shape. This is going to be the body of our cactus. And I kind of curve mine at the end, and this one's a little shorter, but that's okay because guess what? We can always extend it. Then down here, we are going to draw a curved line, and we're just going to extend it just a little bit past our cactus's body, and that's where we're going to start. So right here we're going to draw a curved line just past it, and we're going to do the same thing over here at this point, but this one, it's going to be a small curved line. It's going to touch the body of the cactus, and then we're going to stop, and we're going to pretend that it comes out on the other side. Let's add a little more to this pot. So we're going to do a small line going down, and it's a small little diagonal line, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side, just like that. Then we're going to connect them with another curved line. From there, we're going to come in just a little bit on both sides, and we're going to do another diagonal line going down, and you want to try to make them equal in length. And if not, you can always add on to it. Then from here, we're going to draw another curved line so they connect. And if they don't connect, you can always just extend the line just a little bit. Nobody's going to know, right? All right, now let's start making this cactus look super cute. Let's start with the eyes first. So we're going to come down here. We're going to draw the eyes, and I just start with circles. Now, you can use any kind of shape you like. You do not have to use circles if you don't want to. And I'm going to add those little eyes in. So I'm going to do a curved line, another curved line, and I'm going to color those in black. Now you can do your eyes how you like. And I'm going to do his mouth. And let's do a little curve right there on both sides with like the little cheeks. And let's come down and give it a big smile. Okay? But I said this is a cute cactus. So let's come over here to the eyes again and add some like little eyelashes on both sides. There they are. And let's come up here to the top of the head and add a circle in, or more of a curved line. And then we're going to do a diagonal line out on both sides. And then we're going to do a diagonal line back in for the bow. Now, what's missing from this cactus? Needles. That's right. So we're going to add some needles in. So we're going to add some needles on the body. And then we're going to make some, like, extend past the body a little bit on the outside. So it looks like there's needles all over the cactus, because cactuses have needles. All right. Our cute cactus is done. Now we need to color it in. So like I said, you can use anything that you want to color with. I'm going to be using these color pencils. So we're going to color this cactus in. So I'm just using some brown right now, or a rusty orange for the terracotta pot. It really helps to color in one direction. All right. But you do you. If you want to add decorations to your pot, you can. You don't have to color exactly like me. Okay. I'm going to jump back over to my marker real quick. I'm just going to color. Actually, no. I'm going to come back with this color pencil. I'm just going to push a little bit harder to make this a little bit darker. Over here in the inside of the pot. There we go. Coming up here, I'm going to use my pink for the bow. There it is. It's looking amazing. It's going to look really cute now. I'm going to start it with some greens from the cactus. And one thing that you can also do is you can also Oh, there's too many. You can blend the colors together too if you like. Okay, notice I'm using one green, but I have two greens here. Come here with this lighter green, just lighten it up just a little bit. All right, there is our cute cactus. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you have fun. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. Tell me what you would like to draw next. We'll see what we can do. You guys have a wonderful day.